Thinking about a kitchen renovation? Before you start ripping out cabinets, here's what's actually trending right now. Big vent hoods are having a moment, but the loud statement piece out. Today's hoods are functional and sculptural, blending in like they were always meant to be there. We're seeing exposed beams and visible support details, like the bones of the kitchen are finally getting their spotlight. Color? Earthy neutrals are in. Think stone, sand, and soft wood tones. Calm, grounded, and timeless. Island lighting is longer and leaner, more sculpture than fixture. And open bistro-style racks, polished, intentional, and practical. And the biggest shift, stone. Camouflage storage is chic, but the real star is understated, impervious stone, a quiet revolution against the bold veining of years past. So if you're dreaming of your next kitchen move, maybe start with texture, tone, and a little restraint, because when done right, subtle is stunning.